Hello guys! Today we're gonna prepare the most delicious pineapple cake ever. In a baking pan, add 10 tablespoons of sugar. Turn on medium heat and mix the sugar until it melts. Be extra careful to prevent the sugar from burning. When melted, turn the heat off. Using a spatula, spread the caramel across the baking pan. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from, so I can personally thank you for following our recipe. We'd love to know. After spreading the caramel, cover the bottom of the baking pan with some pineapple slices. Our caramel is really hot. I recommend you wait for the caramel to cool down before adding the pineapple, so you won't risk to burn your finger. Put the baking pan aside. In a bowl, add 1½ cups of sugar, 4 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix the 3 ingredients well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then share this video with your friends. It would help us greatly. Now just add 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of milk. Mix well until it forms a smooth dough. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix carefully to dissolve it. Now add everything in the baking pan we prepared before. This is by far the best pineapple cake I've ever baked. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. Put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Then remove it from the oven when still hot. Do not let it cool down inside or it will stick in the baking pan. And our recipe is done. Look how incredible it is. Delicious, isn't it? I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm going to reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.